Hello everyone, good morning. Today I am going to discuss about the biodiversity conservation. In recent world, in recent scenario, we see that the depletion of biodiversity become a major issues. What is the biodiversity conservation? What is the need? What is the purpose? Basically, biodiversity conservation refer to protection, upliftment and management of biodiversity in order to derive sustainable benefits for present and future generation. Biodiversity conservation is protection and management of biodiversity. There are two words, protection and management. First one is protection is very important. Then we manage them to obtain resource for sustainable development. There are many points like as major concern, major causes, biodiversity loss, remedial measures, national measures for remediation. There are two types of conservation, in situ and ex situ. In situ conservation of biodiversity is conservation of species within their natural habitat. In this method, the natural ecosystem is maintained and protected, like as sanctuaries, park, and various areas of various species, like as reserve of biosphere, and etc. And second method is ex situ conservation. Ex situ conservation of biodiversity involves breeding and maintenance of endangered species in artificial ecosystems, such as some species we keep at the zoos, nurseries, botanical garden, genes bank. There is less competition for food, water and space among the organism. There is some strategy and methods of biodiversity conservation, like as remedial measures. First one, all the varieties of food, timber, plants, livestock, microbes and agriculture animals should be conserved. Second method, environmental law should be followed strictly. Third, the level of pollutants should be reduced in the environment. Thank you.